actually sleeping there. Oh well. Nah, I don't want to make a YouTube video for today. Okay, let's see. What should I do? I don't know if I can wake him up. Wait. Let's pick up him. Hey, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. What the heck? Hey, why won't you wake up? What? Why aren't you waking up? Whoa! Scared me. Hello? Hello? Are you fine? Why are you standing like that? That's creepy. You look like a Dracula. Hello? Oh man! Where's the guy? He's exploding to pieces! Oh my god! Mario, wake up! Please, it's really important! Wait, Mario! No, wait! Mario! Oh my god! He exploded! He went in there! I'm coming, Mario! What's going on? What is this? It's you. Purple, please tell me what's going on. Oh no! You're mine! No! Where? Oh, it's just a dream. Thank God it was just a dream. Hey, Purple. Wake up. Come on, I don't want to go to school. It's still summer. Okay. So, what do you want? I just had a nightmare. A nightmare? What about? I don't know. It's really weird. Nightmares happen. I'm going back to bed. Good night. Good night. Maybe SpongeBob will cheer me up. Hey, SpongeBob. SpongeBob. Yes? I had a nightmare. So, what do you want me to do about it? I'm not asking you to do anything. So? Well, I just want you to, like, comfort me. No. Why? Because I'm tired. Okay, then, well, good night. Okay. Wait, what was your dream about? Just a nightmare. Oh, I had one too. I died. Okay. I'm gonna sleep on your bed. Good night. Good night. I think I should get to sleep too. Good night. Dude! Come on! Help me! No! Oh God. There's no way out. Help me! Stupid dream. I got another one. Man, what's with all the ruckus this time? I had a nightmare again. Stop having nightmares. It's annoying. Where you going? You get some milk? Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. Whoa! Ah! What's wrong with you? I just saw a guy. The mystery man. Where is he? Oh, he was right there. He scared me. Huh. Did he escape? I don't know. But it's creeping me out. Maybe it's another nightmare. I think you should just relax. Just relax. Okay, just think of happy things. Think of that. It works for me. Okay. Alright. Good night. Alright. Good night, I hope. It's Huh? Hello? Hello? It's so dark. I can't even see a thing. Hello? Is anyone there? Oh God, my eyes. What's this? YouTube. Why am I? Is this? What's going on? What is this? What was that? Hello? What the heck am I doing? What the heck? Wait, what's going on? Somebody's pushing me in. Wait, somebody's pushing me in. The computer. Help me. Ding, 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 ding. I think I'm in the computer. Oh, look at these words. Can't see a thing. I have to get to the other part. Let's see, browse. One. Oh boy. I think I should browse? Nope. There has to be another way. Oh man. What's going on? I'm being videotaped. Oh my God! I'm gonna delete you. No, don't delete. No. Goodbye. No. What is it this time? A nightmare. Oh boy. Stop having nightmares. Please, it's annoying. I'm gonna go on the deck to sleep. Okay. Good night. Stop waking me up, God. Sleep. Okay, good. Hey. How you doing? To be continued. You just got scared.